Hello, Booster Beast here. Today we'll be opening some booster packs, like always. Today we'll be opening up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Aether Revolt booster packs. Yes, they finally came. We finally opened the rest of our Aether Revolt. Alright, the things we're hoping to get is Walking Batista, Heroic Intervention, or Masterpieces. Make sure you like if you enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe for more epic content. And comment in the comments below what your favorite pull is. Become a patron is optional, and the link is in the description. Anyways, let's get into this. 6 packs, 6 chances of masterpieces, 6 chances of epic tokens, 0 chances of not being happy. Hope everyone's day is going swell. If it is, tell me how your day is been, what you've been up to in the comments below. Okay, first pack. Yes. Decommission, Chaser, Dust, Prowler, Herder, Astronaut, Ice Over, Combustion, Automation, Dismissal, Assembler, Breaker, Cracker. Oh, that was rare. Consolute Crackdown. Yes. Cost 5. When Consolute enters the battlefield, exile all target artifacts you opponents control until Consolute leaves the battlefield. Very nice. Then we got a foil Demolition. Then we got a land, forest, and then Emblem. Yes, Tezzeret Emblem. Okay, pack number 2 of 6. Okay, Smasher, Dust, Decommission, Rebel, Hauler, Walker, Crawler, Ice Over, Combustion, Keeper, Rampage, Aether, and the rare is Walking Batista. $16 to $17 rare. Yes. $16 to $17. Whew. What does it do? Walking Batista enters the battlefield with X +1/+1 count on it. Tap 4, put a +1/+1 count on Walking Batista. Remove a +1/+1 count from Walking Batista and deal damage to one target. And then we got a foil Deadeye Harpoon and a Plains and a Cerberus token. Now that is the most valued card besides Masterpieces in the set right now. So we just pulled the most valuable card. Because that's a 16-17 card. Heroic Intervention is only $10. Yes. We did it, guys. We did it. Pulled the most expensive card in Aether Revolt. The only thing that could top that is a Masterpiece, or a foil version of that. Unspray, Custody, Enforcer, Getaway, Elite, Construct, Inventor, Map, Formation, Sailback, Revolutionary, Guardian, Array, and the Mythic Aether Wind Basker. Cost 7. Trample. Whenever Aether enters the battlefield, attack, get an energy counter. Pay energy counter, get a +1/+1 until end of turn. And then we got a Island Blend and a server with the token. Very nice. We're 50% done with packs now. 3 more chances to get Masterpieces, 3 more chances to get a Heroic Intervention or a foil. Anything is possible. Very nice. Well, you got Shock, Custody, Unspray, Crawler, Herder, Astronaut, Sailback, Improvement, Automation, Leopard, Skulker. Predicament. Onslaught. And the rare is Barrel's Expertise, cost 5. Return up to 3 target artifacts and or creatures to their owner's hand. You may cast a card with converted mana cost 4 or less from your hand without paying its mana cost. Very nice, very nice. Then we got a Swamp and Garmin as the token. Very, very nice. Moved on to our second to last pack. Yes, second to last pack. Okay. We got Rebel, Rebuke, Brighton, Scarence, Return, Cowl, Formation, Spectre, Velocity, Infestation, Plunderer, Construct, and the rare is Karaziv, Sky Ship Raider, cost 2. I think this was reprinted in all this is what I was using my burn deck way back when. Whenever this enters the attacks, create a 2/1 red monkey creature named that it's tapped and attacking. Exile it under your next. We got a Foil Island. Put this right here. Foil Island, Plains, and a servo token. Very nice, very nice. Nice pull on the Foil Island. Nice pull, nice pull. Alright. Angle, Drake, Conviction, Herder, Getaway, Construct, Brawler, Map, Improvement, Poisoner, Infestation, Pioneer. And the rare is Consulate Crack. Now we already got. We got a Swamp and a Servo token. Very nice, very nice. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comments below what your favorite card was. And subscribe for more epic content. This has been your boy, Booster Beast. Bye-bye.